Good morning, students. Students, let's continue the topic AP. This is the exercise 9.2, question number 6. Question is, if the sum of certain number of an AP is 25, 22, 19 and so on, sum of all these terms is 116. Find the last term. Last term you have to find. Student, here sum of n term is given. So there is a formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2 into A plus L, where L is the last term. So here Sn is given 116, number of term is not given, n by 2. First term is 25 plus L. L is the last term. Or we can use L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Student, we can also use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So it is 232 is n 25 plus A plus n minus 1, so A is also 25 plus n minus 1 and D equal to minus 3. D equal to second term minus first term. So it is 22 minus 25, or it is minus 3. So it is minus 3. Then it is 232 equal to n into 50 minus 3n plus 3, or it is n into 53 minus 3n. Then it is 232. Now it becomes 232 equal to 53 n minus 3n square. Then it is 3n square minus 53n plus 232 equal to 0. Now we will factorize this. 232, it is by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 12, again by 2, 2 5 ja 2 8 ja, again by 2, 2 9 ja. Now it is 3 is also there, 8 3 ja 24 and 29. So it is 53. So factor is 3n square minus 24n minus 29n plus 232 equal to 0. 3n common, then it is n minus 8 minus 29 common, n minus it is 8. 29 8 ja 72, carry 7, 16 or 2, 32 equal to 0. So n minus 8 into 3n minus 29 equal to 0. So n equal to 8. N cannot be in fraction. Now let us find the last term. So last term L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n equal to 8. So last term is 8 term. A is 25 plus 8 minus 1 into minus 3, or it is 25, 7 3 is 21, or it is 4. So last term is 8. is the answer. Last term is 4, not 8. Number of term is 8. Last term is 4. Student, next is question number 7. Find the sum of n terms of an AP whose kth term means AK equal to 5K plus 1 is given. You have to find the sum of n terms Sn. So here A1 means first term. It is 5 into 1 plus 1, or it is 6. A2, 5 into 2 plus 1 is 11. Now common difference D equal to 11 minus 6 is 5. Now we have to find the sum of n terms. So there is a direct formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A means first term, which is 6. 2 into 6 plus n minus 1 and d equal to 5. It is n by 2, 12 plus 5n minus 5, or it is n by 2, 5n plus 7. This is the nth term. Sum of n terms of the AP. Now student, next question number 9. Here the sum of n terms of two arithmetical progression are in the ratio 5n plus 4 is to 9 n plus 6. Find the ratio of 18 terms. So here sum of n terms of 2 AP. Let it is Sn and Sn dash. There are 2 AP. Their common difference are, suppose A1 and D1 of the first AP and A2 comma D2 is the first term and the common difference of second AP. It is the first term D is the common difference of two APs. Then Sn upon Sn dash is given here. It is 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. You have to find the ratio of 18 terms, T18 or A18, 18 terms upon A18 dash. That you have to find. You have to find the ratio of 18 terms. Sum of n terms are given. Student, there is a formula n by 2 into 2 into A1 plus n minus 1 into D1 divided by n by 2 into 2 into A2 plus n minus 1 into D2. Number of terms in both APs are same. It is 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Here n by 2 cancel out. Then it is 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 upon 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 equal to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Student, now we will take 2 common, then it is a1 plus n minus 1 upon 2 into d1 divide by 2 common, a2 plus n minus 1 upon 2 into d2 is equal to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Now these two cancel out. Then it is A1 plus n minus 1 upon 2 into D1 upon A2 plus n minus 1 upon 2 into D2 equal to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6 is the equation. Let equation 1. Now A18 upon A18 dash equal to A1 plus 17 D1 and it is A2 plus 17 D2. It is equation 2. Students, if we compare these two equations, then we will get n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 17. So from 1 and 2 we get n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 17 and n equal to 35. Then putting the value of n here, so ratio of A18 terms equal to 5 into 35 plus 4 upon 9 into 35 plus 6, or it is A18 upon A18 dash equal to 5 5 ja 25 carry 15 or to 17 plus 4 upon 9 5 ja 45 carry 4 27 and 4 31 plus 6. So this ratio is equal to 179 divided by, it is 1 2 3. So ratio is 179 upon 321 is the ratio of 18 term to the index. Is the answer.